Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and review GrabGrip, which happens to be a Kickstarter funded project and which I recently got it delivered here in Bangalore. So this is a single axis stabilizer for smartphones and action camera. The main USP is that it is battery free and works on hydraulic gears. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So this came in an envelope which is not so great for an international shipment, that too when we paid like around USD 15 for it. So hoping that it's not broken inside.
It doesn't leave a very good impression towards the customer who is buying it for the first time, and then you are building a brand that too, so they need to be very careful.
The hand grip feels sturdy and of good quality, but it's China made, and it has a foam covering around it which is very comfortable to hold. Now the GrabGrip. Hope it's all good inside, so you'll get a GrabGrip parts to assemble. On the box they have illustrated features like compatibility with smartphones and action cameras, mechanical stabilization with no battery function. They claim that it's waterproof, but there is no electronics in it, so the claim is like a marketing gimmick. And at the end you can also control stabilization speed through weights provided. Let's move on to next part. It comes with a phone mount which seems very sturdy, and next is a GrabGrip weight mount unit, and one can adjust the ball and socket joint to level the horizon, and finally the GrabGrip body.
This feels little okay, it's not very premium. I mean, the edges of the injection molding part is not very great, and this doesn't look very premium product, but let's see that it works or not. Even there is a dents and scratches, so yeah, not a very good job. You can see that the quality here of the injection molding is really bad. It's really bad. They should have done better work.
Let's set it up and we'll review if this stands up against the marketing claims about its effectiveness. Let's dismantle it first because I have already used it before making this video. So yeah, let's remove all the parts. So do you be interested in buying this? Currently this is a subject of a Kickstarter campaign. Assuming everything works out for them, which it did actually, they got a massive funding, and with a pledge of US $29 you will get one, and the planned retail price is going to be 50 USD. The only reason I bought this because of its portability and no need to carry your power bank or something like to charge it up when you are traveling. Inside there is a hydraulic gear which provides smooth drag between the arms to provide a buttery feel in the recordings, giving a cinematic look. You can remove this effect by removing this cover, but this will lead to zero drag and the movement will be very sensitive, so just be careful about it if you need it or not. So this is the माउंट होल्डर जो आपको इसमें डालना है, राइट। ये अंदर गया, ये ऐसे भी डाल सकते हैं और इधर अपसाइड डाउन भी आप डाल सकते हैं, दोनों डायरेक्शन में अलग अलग है, विच विल गेट देयर इन सम टाइम। तो ये जो लॉक मिला हुआ है इसमें, ये आपको टाइट कर देना है सो दैट ये लूज़ होकर गिरे नहीं, ठीक है। तो ये देखिए, अभी इसको मैं ऐसे करके छोड़ देता हूँ तो देयर इज़ अ ड्रैग, स्लो सॉफ्ट ड्रैग। सो सेकेंड वाले को अगर आप साथ में ट्विस्ट करें इसको रोक कर, तो दिस विल लॉक इट सो दैट इट वोंट फॉल बैक, यू नो, सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो अभी ये देखिए वेट आ गया है हमारे पास, तो इसको मैं अगर ऐसे करके छोड़ता हूँ, सी द हाइड्रोलिक्स विल वर्क वेरी स्लोली, सी, है ना। तो दिस इज द स्टेबलाइजेशन it will provide in single axis, and on this side we'll mount the mobile phone holder, action camera holder, mobile phone holder को लगाना, सेल्फी स्टिक पे माउंट कर सकते हैं with the help of this screw, this is also provided, ठीक है। These can be mounted on any GoPro selfie sticks or on monopods with the help of an adapter which is included in the box. So now we are going to mount iPhone 11 in it. इसको आपको सेंटर पे अलाइन करना होगा, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ठीक है। नहीं तो इसको आगे पीछे ट्विस्ट करके आप वेट को बैलेंस कर सकते हैं। इट इज स्टेबलाइज्ड। To achieve a cinematic stabilization, you need to play around with weights to position it perfectly for a balanced and smooth hydraulic drag. This combination is entirely based on the weight of respective devices against the counterweights. So you need to find your own permutation and combination which works best for you. This is tilt axis stabilization setup where you need to place the phone in same plane. This will come handy while you are recording some high or low ground shots while on the go. Also to be noted that the product got so many negative reviews on Kickstarter platform, and the founder has really hard time to convince everyone that it works. And recently they have worked on a revised hydraulic gear to compensate the flaw, and they are expecting the backers to pay the shipping cost, you know, to get the new hydraulic thing. And I feel personally that they are responsible for it and they should send it out like completely free to the backers, and because it's their responsibility and it's their mistake, you know, to send out the product without testing it properly. So yeah. So I'll post a review about how the footages comes out after using it and without using it on the phone. Thank you for watching, guys. Please post your comments if you have any questions related to this. This is going to be my first unboxing and review for this Kickstarter product, and I'm waiting for my Keychron K3 low profile mechanical keyboard, which most probably I'll be getting next month. So I'm really excited about that because the reviews are damn good about that keyboard, you know, and it's RGB wireless, so it is going to be really amazing. And I have ordered extra keycaps, red ones, because of the brown keys. It is getting a little bit delayed, but I am hoping that it will be worth the wait. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.